Okay, we have a closing Metosa engine lathe, model C1440S, serial number 48492. This machine was new in 2004. We're going to run it for you. Machine is 14-inch swing over the bed and 40-inch centers. Right now we're running in a low speed. We have from 30 up to 2,000 RPM. You have 18 different speeds. That's forward and reverse. You also have an electromagnetic brake. You have a two-axis Accurite digital readout. 3 and a 4-jaw chuck. A steady rest. Different speed. Brake, forward, reverse. Yeah, the steady rest, we have both the live and the bronze-tipped arms. Higher speed. Again, we do have a 3 and a 4-jaw chuck with the machine as well. Micrometer, carriage stop. Different speed. You have a center sleeve for the headstock as well with the center, and you also have a drill chuck, and you also have a tailstock center. Going quite a bit faster. That's the cross feed. You can see it on the digital readout. Longitudinal feed, you can also see it on digital readout. Brake, it's going to engage the lead screw. And we're threading. Okay, so you've seen a thread, feed, that's the tailstock. Tailstock's number 3 Morse taper with 5 inches of travel, 5 3/4. Okay. And that's it. Hey, thank you for watching our video.